A steering pull complaint can drive both customers and your technicians crazy. The vehicle tracks to one side, the wheel isn't centered, and no matter how many alignment checks and fixes are done, the problem just doesn't seem to go away. Let's talk about why, when it comes to solving these complaints, tires are often the key piece of the puzzle. If your customers come into the shop with steering pull or ride control complaints, start by asking them some questions. Answers to questions like, does the pull happen all the time, and does it get worse with speed, help narrow down whether you're dealing with a chassis, brake, or even ADAS-related issue. No matter what the potential issue is, you won't know for sure without a test drive. Getting the vehicle on the road and duplicating the problem is the best way to pinpoint a cause. Tire-related causes are more common than most customers, or even you, may realize. The good thing about it is they're often simple to diagnose if you know what you're looking for. Tire pressure could be the biggest culprit of steering pull. A side-to-side difference of as little as 3 psi can create a noticeable pull. To fix, try rotating the tires. If you swap the front tires side to side and the pull changes direction, you've likely found the issue. Moving tires front to rear can sometimes make the pull disappear entirely until the next rotation. But the issue isn't always with tires though. Alignment angles and ride height also play a role. Lowered or worn suspension can cause alignment settings to shift under load, creating a pull even if everything is in the green on the rack. Highlighting the tire's role in these issues also creates a natural opportunity for upselling services like proper inflation checks, rotations, balancing, and alignments. Make sure you don't skip checking the tires when a customer comes in with ride control complaints. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.